Beautiful day here out in front of the beach walk at the Kaanapali Ali'i on Kaanapali South Beach. Jeremy Stice greeting you from Kaanapali Beach on Maui. Looking up north towards the island of Molokai, you see some people getting their morning exercise out there. The adjoining Westin Resort, some of the sailboats coming in. Beautiful beach walk, lots of sand, just a little bit of surf today. Directly in front of the resort in the island of Lanai, directly ahead. Building 3 here at the Ali'i. Excuse me, this is building 1. Building 2 behind it, building 3 in this frame, building 4 directly adjoining that. And we're gonna take a little beach walk back to unit 214, which is the currently lowest priced fee simple unit here at the Ali'i. So as I mentioned, got the Westin directly here to the north. Got parking garages at the Ali'i. Service entryway here. This is the dividing line between building 1 on the ocean front and building 2. One back from the ocean front at the Ali'i. An entry point to the inner corridor to get the elevators and so forth. Beautiful tree canopy, tennis courts, gym just on the other side of that. So this particular unit has a great location for all of that. And then that is 214 directly ahead of us. So really short couple-minute walk, easy to pack up the beach stuff, head down this way, and then head out towards the ocean. Tough to beat. Jeremy Stice, Hawaii Life. Aloha.